everyone, my name is Elena, and today we are going to be talking about questions and how to make them in English. Most of my students have difficulties in making them, and I used to have difficulties. That's why I decided to clarify things up. There'll be two parts of this video, and by the end I hope you learn how to make up questions in English. So let's start. The first type of questions is general question. Let's see the sentence. I'm from Krasnodar. This sentence contains an auxiliary verb in it, which is am. That's why we just put it at the first place, and the question, our general question, is ready. Am I from Krasnodar? Auxiliary verbs are to be, is, am, are, have, will, can, do, must, and some others. So it's very easy to form a question if the sentence contains an auxiliary verb. But in a sentence I live in Krasnodar, there is no auxiliary verb. The verb here is live, which can't form a question itself. That's why we put do or does in present simple, and our question for this sentence is do I live in Krasnodar? Now you should stop the video, put it on the pause, and try to make up at least 4 questions from the extract you'll have on your screen. Make sure that your questions are formed correctly. If you like, you can send them to me on my page ВКонтакте Елена Харычева. I'll gladly check them. So let's move on to another type of question, which is called special questions. They are formed very easy. So you put a question word at the first place, then a general question comes. The question interrogative word is like there are a variety of them. How, what, when, where, why, whose, what color, how many, how much, which, whom. And let's try. Our sentence is I'm from Krasnodar, and we are making a special question. We'll start which city am I from? So which city is a question, interrogative question word. Then our general question, am I from? Which city am I from is our special question. Then for the sentence I live in Krasnodar, we form it with the question word where. Where do I live? If the sentence is in present progressive, for example, he is sleeping, we leave present progressive and we make it our special question like this. What is he doing? Or the last example, if our sentence is in past, he went home, we can ask where did he go? Now again, stop this video and try to make at least 4 questions from the extract. So our third type of question is questions to the subject. They might seem easy, but sometimes you can mix, because they are formed from the question word who or what. Who or what are also used in special questions. That's why, let's see the sentence. It will be much more clear to you. The sentence is I live in Krasnodar. who lives in Krasnodar. So who is a subject and lives is predicate. That's why we don't need any auxiliary verbs. Who lives in Krasnodar. For example, the sentence is Tom told me. Who, subject, told, predicate. Who told you about it?